Okay, this is the week of October 26th through October 30th, and here's our weekly overview. Uh, our material we need is always the same, and we're talking about rate of change this week. So we're talking about plotting, ordered pairs, graphing slopes, and how to find the slope. Uh, so we have 3 videos we need to watch, and then we have worksheets that follow. I don't need any notes turned in this week, but I do need all worksheets turned in this week. So worksheets are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I have nothing in Thursday and Friday. So you have all week to do all 3 things. Then for the second class, you have 120 minutes on Alex, and you need to make sure you complete 12 topics. If you have any questions, make sure you come see me. And if you're a hybrid kid and it's not your day, you can reach out to me through email, through my cell phone. Talk to you soon.